Hello and welcome back to Ellie Talks Tech. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Adobe Express Design app for mobile and desktop. This is a great app that has a free version as well as a paid version. If you're familiar with Canva, you're going to feel very familiar with this platform. Initial first impressions were that it had a little bit more of a modern and professional design-friendly focus, but it seemed as equally easy to use as the Canva app. So we're not going to be doing a comparison in this video. I'm just going to show you how Adobe Express, the free version and the free trial, work, as well as discuss some of the paid version features so that you can make a good decision about whether or not this will work for your business. So if you're ready, let's get into it. So after you go to the website or download the application and create a free account, you can get started right away. They'll give you a walkthrough, or you can just sort of dive in and explore it on your own. You can see that there are quite a few templates here for you to choose from that are free to use. So these templates are customizable in font, in color, and image, just like you might have seen in other design apps online. Whether you're starting from scratch, like I'm going to for this demo, or you're picking a template, the way that you customize it and create your design are the same. So let's open this up and take a look. We can pick colors, we can pick fonts. I'm just going to show you quickly a time-lapsed process of creating a design on desktop from scratch. So you can check out how I'm removing the background from the stock footage, adding some text and customizing it with colors. You can change the fonts. I actually kind of liked this font grouping, but I did change it a little bit. You can move things around, play with the layout and size of things until you really find something that you actually like. Again, you can also do the same thing with a template so that you have a starting point and then just customize colors and fonts to fit what you're looking for your design. Once you've finished your design, you can download it to upload anywhere, or you can even use Adobe's scheduling features. They're a little bit limited, but it will allow you to at least plan your content and set posting reminders. This is especially useful if you work frequently off a desktop as a social media manager, or if you have the app on your phone. This isn't an all-encompassing scheduling app, and it won't post for you everywhere, but you can connect quite a few channels. So that was a nice feature to see in this app. We can also take a look at how this would work on mobile. So if you've used other design apps in the past, you've probably used it primarily on desktop or on mobile, but I'd like to give people an idea of how it works for both so that you know what to expect. So we've already downloaded the app. Let's go ahead and create another design from scratch. I'm going to do something similar to the desktop version, but I'm still going to make it a little bit different just to give you a better idea of the versatility and range in this app. So we're going to, again, be picking colors and shapes and fonts and making this look like something. On the free trial, you'll also have the option to remove the background of photos, which I showed you in the other desktop version as well. This is a paid feature, so once your free trial is over, you won't keep it, but it's only $10 a month. And there are a lot of features that we'll get into in just a moment. So again, we're just going to pull in some elements from Adobe's stock footage and stock elements, customize some text, and make this a nice graphic. Once you download it, it allows you to post directly to a platform where you can save it to your camera roll and use it wherever you want. So the paid features really give you access to more of the elements like Adobe Stock, the features of background removal, some advanced editing tools, access to all of the templates on Adobe Express, as well as they're showing access to other design apps. Now, I pay a lot more for these applications to use across devices in my normal Adobe Creative Suite. So I'm interested to see if the access is the same or if it's simply connected to Adobe Express app. But overall, the free version has plenty of valuable features that you can use to create great visual content, as you saw things for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, any online platform. You may not want to create a lot of things for a website on Adobe Express, but you certainly could create some custom graphics for it. So overall, as far as usability goes, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the easiest to use ever and 1 being, requiring industry knowledge and expert knowledge and skills, I would say that we're looking at a 6 to 7. I've seen people really struggle with this app or feel like it's too complicated. I don't feel like it's complicated, but I am a graphic designer, so it might just be something I'm more familiar with. I think if you spend a little time playing around with the features and using it and trying it out and experimenting, you'll get up to that 7 or 8. And really, for a design professional, this is like a 10 out of 10, but you don't have all of the tools that you would have in something like Photoshop. If you're an Adobe person already, if you like using Adobe, or you prefer the feel and format or branding of Adobe over some of the other design apps, I think this is a great one to choose. I'm actually considering switching over to it, but for me, client accessibility is going to be an issue, especially if you work in an industry that's very used to a different online design platform like Canva. You may not want to switch, but for my own personal use, I think I will. I hope this quick look at Adobe Express really helped you understand better how the app works if you haven't tried it out yet. And if you think you will give it a try, let me know in the comments. If you have other questions about the app or would like to see a more in-depth tutorial of more of the features and capabilities, please let me know. As always, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. And be sure to stick around by subscribing so that you can catch more videos just like this one. Or you could even watch another fun, great, helpful video. Either way, I hope to see you back here again real soon.